Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're so proud to present this Jaguar XK 4.2 V8 Coupe. It's on a 2006 06. It's literally just turned to 42,000 miles. It's got an absolutely massive Jaguar service history. 15 or 16 service stamps in the book. We've just serviced it. This car is not to be confused with anything else in the market today. It is absolutely pristine, outstanding, just stunning inside and out. You will not, well, there will not be another car, another XK in the country of that mileage and that year, which is better than this. This has not got any dents on it, no scuffs, no scratches. It's been ceramic coated twice. It's got loads and loads of extras from new, which we'll go through in a second. And I'm going to go really slowly now and go around every panel. There is no corrosion on this car whatsoever. You do see on these cars bits of corrosion on the edges of the panels and bits and pieces, even though they are aluminium. They're still corrode. This has got no corrosion on it. The subframes, everything underneath, all the components, absolutely pristine. This car has been garaged all its life. Let's just go around and have a look at this car in fine detail now. As you can see, no chips on the front bumper, no scuffs. It's got the chrome surrounds around the fog lights. We put two brand new fog light units in this car as they were slightly misted, so we replaced them with proper Jaguar front fog lights. As you can see, it's got the xenon headlights. Now these headlights are adaptive, so as you turn the steering wheel they move. It's got headlight chrome surrounds on them. They've also got headlight wash. As you can see, the surface of the headlight is absolutely pristine, as brand new. Moving slightly round now, as you can see, it's got top and bottom mesh grille inserts, which again are an extra. You'd get those on an XKR. Again, the center grille badge, no discoloration, no water damage, absolutely perfect. As you can see, no scuffs on the bottom of the bumper, on the edges, absolutely pristine on the nose cone, no off-color panels, all original, no chips on the bonnet, bit of a fly there, no chips on the bonnet, no dents on the bonnet. I'm going around really carefully because please do not confuse this car with other cars you see in the marketplace. This is as near to brand spanking new as what you will ever get. We have got the car running, you can hear it, it's quiet as a mouse. Again, no scuffs on bumpers at the bottom where they sometimes get nudged onto curbs, nothing like that. Headlight again, absolutely perfect condition. Moving on to the wing, all the edges perfect, everything lines up. This car is HPI clear, never had an accident. It's got the chrome wing vents on. It's also got the 20-inch wheels. We've put brand new brakes on it, front and back. We've also had the calipers refurbished and the Jaguar logos put back on. We've also put, at great expense, a set of 4 brand spanking new Dunlop SP Sport tyres, which were genuine equipment. This is what were fitted on this car, brand new. As you can see, they're like a fortune, a grand's worth of tyres on this car. And the wheels themselves have all been refurbished. If you look at the original prototype car that came out, I think it was in light blue. I recently saw it at the Gaydon British Transport Museum, the Jaguar Heritage Collection next door. They, as the prototype sort of showcase car before this car quite came out, they put those wheels in that finish on the car, so we wanted to replicate that because we thought they looked absolutely mint, which they do. They are absolutely gorgeous. You could get those on an American spec car, but not on a UK car. They were always painted, but we had them powder coated in chrome powder coat. Going down to the sills and the door bottoms, absolutely perfect. No chips, no splashes of tar, no damage, no scrapes. Moving on to the door now, you can see this ain't going to be the quickest of videos, folks, because I want to go around every inch of this car. As you can see, door mirrors all functioning. It has got electric folding door mirrors. We'll go through the spec in a second. New wiper blades we fitted. Windscreen perfect. Roof perfect. Like I say, we've machine polished this car and detailed it, but we've also ceramic coated it twice actually. All around the windows, look, all the chromes are nice, not discoloured or sort of motley. Back window, no scratches on it, no scratches on any of the glass. As you can see with the bumpers, they all meet properly. It's got the spats still on it, which they should have. No corrosion on the arches. Again, I'm not frightened to zoom into this car because I've got nothing to hide. It's absolutely gorgeous, unbeatable. Again, new brakes at the back, new tyre, wheel refurbed. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this car. This is a show winning quality car, this. It's got the chrome backlight surrounds, it's got new badges. As you can hear it at the back, runs perfectly even. Has a lovely sound to it. Again, back bumper, no marks on it, boot lid perfect, parking sensors at the back. No tar splatter, no chips. It's been extremely well cared for and looked after, this car. Aerial goes all the way to the top. Again, wheel perfect. No corrosion, no damage on any of the panels. As you can see, any things that you do see are probably reflections in the paint finish, because there is literally nothing, no marks on this car. Anybody who comes to see this car will not be able to prove me wrong, because this description and video is totally honest. And we're totally honest and transparent down here. We have nothing to hide or to make excuses for. There's no tall stories. Don't confuse us with other garages that sell cars, because we're nothing like them. Right, we're just going to open the boot lid now so you can have a look in there. Hopefully you've seen what I wanted you to see. If not, you'll have to come down and have a look with your own eyes, because you won't, definitely won't have a wasted journey. In the boot's lovely, boot carpet's nice, all the apertures. It's got the original boot struts on it. Parcel shelves proper, it's not all hanging off like a lot of them are. All the edges of the boot lid, all the skin's absolutely perfect, no issues. Now, we know this car, we've run it ourselves. We did about 500 miles in it, so we know the car's bang on. We know it drives absolutely perfect. We went down to the British Motor Museum in Gaydon, and we went for a Jaguar breakfast meeting. And everybody who saw the car was just absolutely blown away with it. Lots of people mentioned they'd never ever seen one as mint as this, which I don't think you will. Look at the door skins, absolutely mint. No damage on the door handles. You won't get many garages doing videos this close up and hovering over things for as long as this, because they know they can't, because the cars aren't in the condition that this is. So they don't hover over them. And I'm not blowing our trumpet here, but we do the job properly. And this car is dead right. You will pay, because this car stands us at a lot of money. It's not the cheapest car in the marketplace of an XK, But where do you get this one where it's been fully serviced, 15 service stamps, just been serviced now? It'll have 12 months MOT before it goes out. It's had 4 brand spanking new proper Dunlop tyres on it, all the wheels refurbed. The leather, look at the leather seat there. I mean, you can't even believe this has done 4,000 miles, never mind 42. There's not even a crease on the seat. It's the same in the back. Obviously they never get used anyway, but you can see it's perfect. The Alcantara parcel shelf's perfect. There's no lifting of any sort of materials. There's no sagging headliners. Absolutely gorgeous it is. Right, specification wise, you've got auto wipers, you've got auto lights, you've got paddle shift, you've got cruise control, front and rear fog lights, you've got a sliding armrest with cup holders. You get 2 keys or 2 key fobs with this car. It's got the keyless start. It's also got keyless entry. It's also got heated front seats. It's got leather dashboard. It's got the walnut veneer. It's got all the electric seats. It's got an auto dimming rear view mirror. Obviously ABS, power steering. It's got a heated front screen with a little element in the screen. It's also got Alpine premium surround sound, and this leather is a soft grain leather, which is an upgrade from new as well. It's not the standard leather, it's the perforated soft grain leather. It's got air conditioning, which is ice cold, as you would expect on a car this quality. Electric handbrake, traction control, dual climate control, electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, folding mirrors. As you can see, keyless. It's also got the door handle cups as well, so your nails don't scratch the paintwork, and that really sets the side of the car off with all the chrome around all the windows and the mirrors and the vents. Absolutely unbelievable specification and just gorgeous. Like I said, front and rear parking sensors. Yeah, we've gone through this car from front to back. We've done every single thing it needed just to bring it absolutely just spot on. The car was beautiful when we bought it, but it needed the wheels refurbing, not because of curb damage, but because they were just dull, really, from being washed over the years. So we thought we'd have them done in this finish. We did the brakes, did some pads, did all the engine service, and of course, we even did the air filter that Jaguar didn't do last time it was in for servicing, because it's behind the wheel arch, behind the front bumper there. That's where the air filter housing is. So we even put a new air filter in there. So yeah, we've done absolutely everything. And if I say so myself, it's a credit to us, because it is absolutely gorgeous. Cars like this are just not around. Plenty of XKs around, and some of them have come right down in price now. This isn't one of them cars. Yeah, we've all been round and seen these cars as described. Absolutely mint, not a mark on it, immaculate, fastidiously maintained and all that. When you get there, it's like you've gone to see a different car. When you come to see this car, it is exactly as described, and I can't imagine, even at its asking price of $17,995, that it'll be here for long. Because I mean, whoever sees this video or wants one, I mean, forget Aston Martin DB9s, because they're a very, very similar car in lots of respects. Both designed by Ian Callum, who used to work at Jaguar as the chief designer. But I think, and I'm not being biased, I know we're Jaguar specialists. I've looked at the Aston Martin loads of times thinking, oh, you know, I ought to really try and save up and get one of them or whatever, but I wouldn't. They're just not as beautiful. The XK is a beautiful, beautiful car from every angle. The interior is far superior. All the switchgear, everything is just well sorted. It's just a lovely, lovely car. This is the 4.2 V8 naturally aspirated car. It's not a supercharged car. I know it looks a bit like a supercharged car, but it's not. It's still got 300 horsepower. It's all aluminium. It's very, very light. It's very quick on its feet. It's a 155 mile an hour car. It's 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds. It's fast enough. It's plenty fast enough. If you want an XKR, you'll have all the extra costs that go with it. Worse fuel economy. You'll have, bigger and better brakes that will want maintaining at bigger expense. Suspension units will be more expensive when they need replacing, bushers and bits and pieces. These are a fantastic car, so don't overlook the 4.2 naturally aspirated V8, because at 300 horsepower that is a very, very fit car. It's as fast as what you would ever want. The sound absolutely beautiful, which I shall demonstrate now it's warmed up. That's got a standard exhaust on it, and in the car it's lovely and quiet and refined, but you can still hear that little V8 burble, and it's just fantastic. Look at the tyres, you see. Proper Dunlop tyres. It even says Dunlop SB Sport on them. They've not done 300 mile. We put them on when we came back from Gaydon, and that car hadn't even done 300 mile on those tyres, I don't think. Maybe not even 200. It's been nowhere. It's been in our showroom until today, until we got round to doing the photographs and the video. I hope you like the video, guys. I hope you love the car as much as we do. This is a car, this is a keeper, this car. Whoever buys it, I'm sure will keep it for a long time, and they'll take it to shows and go out in it and be absolutely proud as you can be. Please just punch with it. Unrepeatable vehicle, that. When you think this car was, with all the options, was touching nearly 69,000, I think, brand new, and now it's 17,995, and it looks like this and is in this condition, and it drives perfect. Steering wheel straight, aircon working, quiet, refined, smooth, perfect. So give us a call, guys. 17,995. Telephone number to call us is 07759 938 395. You can email us as well on sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com, and Malton is Malton. And it's going to go back in our showroom now and have a cover put on it, and that's where it'll stay until somebody comes down and sees it, and hopefully the lucky new owner will just think it's just out of this world when they see it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.